Akuma. Today, I'm just gonna would like to wish you a Merry Christmas. Your mom official poll. I think comment to it. I hope you're going to enjoy your Christmas with your family. Guess what is on the menu today? It's something different recipe, everything different. It's PAWPAW bread. I hope you've not heard this thing before. My name has always been Nana Ama Akuma. So I'm going to start by showing you all the ingredients that I'm going to use for my PAWPAW bread today. So I have half sliced PAWPAW, red PAWPAW or papaya. 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to use half teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have here 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 eggs, half cup of melted butter, and this is the cup that I use, half teaspoon of salt. I'm using the pink one today. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm going to use my fork to mash my PAWPAW today instead of using the blender. I would like to tell you, if you are getting PAWPAW, you need to get the one that is really soft. You don't have to get the hard ones because it's going to be very hard to use the fork to mash it. So I just want to tell you that everything is being washed properly. After mashing your PAWPAW, this is how it's going to be. It's going to look like this. So at this point, I'm going to put this one aside. Then I start with my dry ingredients. I'm going to start by mixing all my dry ingredients together. So first is the flour, then my baking soda, salt, and my sugar. So I'm going to mix them up. So after mixing it, you're going to create a hole in the middle. Then you start putting your wet ingredients in it. So first goes in with my melted butter. And my half teaspoon of vanilla extract. After adding your wet ingredients, you're going to mix all together properly before you can add your mashed PAWPAW to it. So after mixing the wet and the dry ingredients, this is how it's going to be. At this point, I'm going to add my mashed PAWPAW into it. So you're going to mix it till everything is properly. So after mixing your mashed PAWPAW with the ingredients, this is how it's going to look like. Very smooth. First, I'm going to use my oil spray. I'm going to divide it into 2 sets. So at this point, my PAWPAW bread goes into the oven for 20 minutes and it has to be 180 degrees. So our 20 minutes is over now. I'm going to take my PAWPAW bread from my oven. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. After you take it off from the oven, this is how it should look like. Golden brown. So at this point, I'm going to take it off from the baking pan. Then I start cutting it into smaller going to put it on my pot. It's really hot, so you need to be very, very careful. There we go. I taste it by myself, but today, guess what? Just because it's Christmas, I got a special guest who's going to taste it. He's going to tell you how it tastes like, and I know you're going to believe him. Let's welcome Mr. Adjeibi. So this is Mr. Adjeibi. He's a good friend of mine. So as you know, he's going to taste my PAWPAW bread today. I don't want you to feel like I'm always doing the tasting. I want him to tell you the truth, nothing but the truth. So Mr. Adjeibi, you are welcome to taste my PAWPAW bread.
Thank you for inviting me for tasting today. Which one should I pick?
Any of it.
Okay, let's go with this one.
How does it taste like?
Let me finish this one before.
Okay.
I actually like to eat two before I even say anything, because this tastes delicious. I can taste the PAWPAW. Man, and it's juicy too. Very juicy. That's why I follow Akuma every week, because I'm getting good recipes from Akuma all the time. You should follow too.
Thank you so much, Mr. Adjeibi. Thank you for always subscribing and always watching Ama's Corner. I'm very grateful. Thank you for always watching Ama's Corner. Thank you for always subscribing. Thank you for always commenting and liking my videos. I'm very grateful. Mi mama fi chapeau. I'll see you next year. Bye.